In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PDF on Behance. Whether you're showcasing your design portfolio or presenting a creative project, having your work on Behance can significantly enhance its visibility. Let's dive into how you can easily upload a PDF file to your Behance project. First, make sure you're on the Behance website. Open your preferred internet browser and navigate to behance.net. If you're not already signed into your account, take a moment to do so. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to all the tools you need to manage your projects. Now, decide whether you want to create a new project or edit an existing one. For creating a new project, simply click on the Create a Project button, usually found on your profile page. If you want to add your PDF to a current project, head to your profile, locate the project you wish to update, and click on it. Once you're in the project editor, you'll see various options for adding content. Look for the Attach Assets section. This area is designed for uploading additional files to your project. Click on it. This action will give you the option to choose a file from your computer. Now, proceed by clicking on Choose File. This will open your File Explorer where you can navigate to the location of the PDF you'd like to upload. Select your PDF and open it. This chosen file will now begin uploading to your Behance project. As your file uploads, make sure you add a clear and concise file name. This helps viewers understand what they're looking at right away. You'll find a section within the upload settings to enter this information. Take a moment to fill it in accurately. Next, categorize your file. Adding a specific category to your PDF can help it appear in relevant searches and categories on Behance. This step is crucial for improving the discoverability of your work. Furthermore, it's essential to select the appropriate license type for your file. Whether you want it to be public domain, all rights are reserved, or a more flexible Creative Commons license, make sure it reflects your sharing preferences. Now it's time to add a description. This is your opportunity to explain the context of your PDF or elaborate on your project details. Providing a descriptive overview can engage viewers and allow them to appreciate the depth of your work. If your PDF is available for purchase, or even if it's free, indicate the pricing information. Whether it's for sale or freely downloadable, this transparency will guide potential viewers or customers in the right direction. Finally, once you're happy with all the input details, go ahead and click the Add Asset button to finalize the upload. Your PDF is now neatly attached to your Behance project, making your collection of work even more comprehensive. Thanks for watching and happy uploading.